In Southeast Asia, you can see children everywhere, in parks, playing with their friends, helping their parents or grandparents with chores. They all love to play, laugh, and sing. They also love to learn in school. But some children don't have something that many of us take for granted. They don't have a Bible in their own language that they can read to learn about Jesus. This quarter, your 13 Sabbath offerings will help children in Southeast Asia have Bibles so they can read the same stories that you have learned in school and at home. Stories about Moses, Daniel, Elijah, Ruth, David, and of course, Jesus. Think about one child who doesn't have a Bible. How can you help them get one? What can you do to raise money for this important offering? 100 years ago, the first 13 Sabbath offering was collected, and a good part of it came from children just like you. Isn't it awesome that you can help another child in a faraway part of the world learn about Jesus? Thank you for helping provide Bibles for the children of Southeast Asia. You can learn more of the cool things that are happening in Mission at www.adventistmission.org.